Hello and welcome to Candid Talks with Bharatvi. It's been simply overwhelming to see all you listeners out there giving so much of love and attention to this podcast channel. This is Bharat Vatsa, your host. मैं कोशिश करता रहूँगा कि लोगों की ऐसी ही अनसुनी और अनकही बातें आप तक पहुँचाता रहूँ. And I hope you enjoy all my shows to the fullest. So let's welcome Rupali Sawant.
हाय दिस इज रूपाली सावंत और आप मुझे सुन रहे हैं ऑन कैंडिड टॉक्स विद भारत वी।
So, Pali, it's been quite a few years now, since you have been associated with the recent events, and you have done multiple ramp walks with them, and you have been associated with them as a jury panel. So, can you tell us about your experience? You being associated with them.
Ritual events for me, actually, it's more like a family now because as it's been rightly mentioned by you, I am been with them for quite a while now,
Yeah.
and so I have seen them, with the each and every event, setting up a benchmark. Uh, so yeah,
Okay.
overall, I'm very happy with them, and I just want to be a part of this beautiful event. So far, we are here.
So I think they're primarily, involved in the fashion shows which they host, mainly for the mothers and kids, right? About the
Yeah,
theme
yeah,
is
yeah,
mom and me.
yeah.
So how about that? I mean, do you think that it is a genuine platform, for all the mothers and kids to enhance their on the stage chemistry, to showcase their talents, to pursue their dreams? Because mostly we have been seeing that other event organizers, they are primarily into either just for kids,
Yeah,
or they are
yeah, yeah,
doing mainly
yeah,
for like Miss India, or at a larger level, but nobody actually has thought of coming out with this kind of concept to enhance the relationship between a mother and a child.
yeah.
So
So
what do you have to say
absolutely,
about them as the event organizers?
yeah. So absolutely, Ritz event is definitely the name, and there is no two ways about it when it comes to you know being the best in the industry. And this mom and me concept is always, this is I think that's the main USP of Ritz event,
Mm-hmm.
and very few of them are there, in this, especially in the Pune city, who are coming up with this mom and me. So this will be the number
Right.
one. I think they have initiated, and so they are doing it pretty well. And for me, see, based in Pune, I have just more than approximately 100 of the events.
Okay.
So, and very few of them are there who really, are up to the mark, and they deliver what they promise. And Ritson event is one of the name because, as I already mentioned, I have seen them growing, and with the each and every event of them, they are
Mm-hmm.
setting up that benchmark, and
Benchmark. Okay.
lovely platform. Yeah, lovely platform for all the beautiful ladies and the kids coming up together and showcasing their talents and skill,
Mm-hmm.
and thus gaining the confidence and the experience, which is very much important, in this field. And so yeah, so obviously it's a
Okay.
genuine platform. It's a very good platform. I will always suggest. I mean, a lot many time, a few of the ladies are coming and asking, to me, see, can I just participate? I just go blindly.
Mm-hmm.
I very rarely I am, I'm so vocal in public about any event and the organization or the organizers, unless and
Okay.
until, I'm aware about them. So I'm not very,
Understand.
easily, vocal about them. But Yeah, because I know more or less in and out about how this organization is, and
Mm-hmm.
how this Ritsu Vatsa is. She is like a gem of a person,
Mm-hmm.
and so yeah, they are doing really great, and I really feel blessed, in fact, to be a part of
Okay.
such organizations which are really doing so good in the fashion and modeling industry.
Okay. So, Rupali, being in this glamour industry, you might have come across many unwanted situations, wherein like, because there are many type of people in this world, people misbehave,
Mhm.
they pass comments, they
Mhm.
pass compliments. So, how do you manage these kind of situations? How do you handle them? Those kind of people, especially.
See, to be very honest, now nothing such has come. I have been come across such kind of situation, because probably
Hmm.
what I feel so here is your body language, your personality, the way you talk, the overall. I mean, I'm
Hmm.
talking of personality as a whole, talks a
Yeah.
volume about you.
Yeah.
And when it talks a volume about you, the other person, you are somehow giving a message across to the other person, and he or she
Yeah.
gets a message, ki what you are as an individual.
Hmm.
So probably, and in today's abhi, pehle se, I think so. It's not like that. Earlier used to be too much of teasing and saying the comments and all those things.
Yeah.
Now we are, the people are much more educated, civilized, and we are still, being in metro city and all. So everybody, it's a decent crowd, and they're aware about all these things. So yeah, but I went to places where small cities and towns also. But then
Hmm.
I think so, because you are having the crown on you, they are aware who you are, and plus,
Okay.
as I said, you give a signal to the other,
Yeah.
about yourself also. So that what
Hmm.
matters. And if you see right now in my Insta, I think so, again, it's a very big thing. I'm not boasting myself only, but I
Hmm.
think so ki whatever comments and all, 40, 50 comments, or maybe 100, 70, 80 comments, none of the comments you will find a cheap, or maybe
Hmm.
something which is like not appropriate. So this, I think, it's a very big thing, because lot many of my friends are there who says, mere paas, if I keep my Insta account public,
Hmm. Hmm.
I get lot many this type of stuff, and aise comments
Hmm.
aate hain and all. So I was like,
Right.
why it is not happening with me, man? Why? So I was like, am I not beautiful, or maybe I'm not that type? So is it a question to myself? Then I start to why it happens. But then I think so, I
Hmm.
came to condition probably ki whenever I reply, I try my best to reply each and every comments of mine, but few of the time
Hmm.
it's not possible. But whenever I reply to the comments, it's a respect sign, that haath
Right.
joda, folded hand.
Yeah.
So I think that's talk volume about you,
Yeah.
right? Ki what you are
Hmm.
and all, rather than some emojis say karna, the flying kisses there, and
Correct.
thank you so
Correct.
much, and you
Yeah. Yeah.
dear
Yeah.
and all. So if you're trying to say, this is what all instigating, and something like that.
So I think,
So
yeah,
I
you
think that
rightly
has
said
played a
that,
vital.
how it depends upon how you are responding to the other
Yeah.
party. And also, I think the social media is playing a very vital role here in creating, awareness towards these matters. So I think that really
Exactly.
matters
And
a lot.
now,
Yeah.
and nowadays, people are also like, following all the ethics of being on net.
Hmm.
So all this thing are also been monitored, and they are also aware about all these things, the basic etiquettes and the ethics of
Absolutely. Yeah.
being online.
Yeah.
So these things are there, and yeah, a few of them, I won't say ki it's like 100% all good.
Hmm.
For some or the other time, I get some or the other comments where I feel like this was not appropriate or not decent.
Hmm.
So it's always in your hand. The block feature is always there in your hand.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So that's that's the peace button. So you should just press on the button and be in peace.
That's nice. Rupali, you were a part of a campaign rally sometime back in Nanded. Can you tell us something
Mhm.
about that experience?
Yeah, Nandane, I actually twice or thrice I went to Nandane. It
Okay.
started with me. First time I went for Dahi Handi festival.
Mm-hmm.
That was really BJP, the organized Dahi Handi. That was quite a huge one, and probably 7 to 8,000 people were there. So yeah, obviously, it was like one of the dream come true, you can say,
Okay.
because I've always seen, the movie and the Bollywood stars going for these Dahi Handi festivals, and so much of
Yeah, I
crowd
think it's
gathering
very
for them
famous
and cheering.
for the Dahi Handi thing in Nanded. I think it's a
Yeah,
very famous event that happens there.
yeah, it was. So it was really a very nice one, and I was very happy that time with the love that from the Nandin which I've received that time was like mind blowing. I have no words.
Mm-hmm.
So Nandin, to be very honest, now it has become like a um, family city for me, because then I got an invite for one of the tea shop opening,
Okay.
inauguration ceremony there, and then third time I got the invitation for this BJP rally. So in
Okay.
fact, the CISF lady at the Nandin airport,
Mm-hmm.
while frisking, she said to me, "Is your flat here in Nandin?" So I just she was like, "Ma'am, you are more or less regularly visiting here." Is this? I was like, "No, man."
तो उन्हें बोलना था
So
ना, इंशाल्लाह
yeah,
बहुत बहुत जल्दी एक फ्लैट भी ले लेंगे वहाँ पे.
exactly. You never know.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is what I think. Again, this is my another big achievement. When you're going at one place and the love and the
Right.
affection which you're getting from the people there.
Hmm.
So
No,
yeah,
I
so
saw that clipping, that video of that rally. I mean, that was fantastic. I mean, it was as if
and I'm
somebody, a huge Bollywood celebrity or somebody, who is this.
exactly.
It was huge, actually.
And to be honest, there a few of them have also said, Bollywood actor actresses को इतना, the प्यार and मोहब्बत नहीं मिला होगा जितना
अच्छा.
आपको मिल रहा है. So I was,
So you
yeah.
must
So
be
see,
on
that's
cloud
what I
nine that day.
absolutely. And that day, to be very honest, I felt like, I have achieved something now. Yeah, Rupali Sawant is something. I've made my name. And it's not only your beauty, it's not only the crown, it's overall your nature, your personality, how you behave, how you talk to others, you're kind and being compassionate about others. I think all these things matter, and then what's make you popular.
तो उस
So
दिन
it feels good.
रैली में आपके दिमाग में ऐसा कभी कुछ ख्याल है कि मैं अभी जोर जोर से एक गाना गाऊं?
वो नहीं गाना तो नहीं आया, but I was totally amazed the way the ladies and the kids, they were like, obviously the male were also there, but that day also, all the ladies, the way they was like to get a glimpse, and they just wanted, some of them gifted me some of the stuff, what they have got from their home. So yeah, this feeling is like beyond expression, I can say.
You would have never imagined that, that would be the case.
Yeah.
Amazing. So, apart from this, I believe you also were featured in many of the magazines, and you were on the cover of a calendar 2020 launch as well recently. So, can you tell us something about those features?
2020's the calendar and the magazine both place I was on cover page. Obviously, this was like another great feeling and great sense of achievement.
Which magazine was that, by the way?
This is Lifestyle magazine of Hyderabad. It's
Okay.
high tech. Yeah, so Hyderabad launched magazine.
Uh-huh.
So and the calendar, so obviously you must be aware.
Yeah.
So lovely. So I was on the cover page of recent calendar.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it started with the cover page, and in fact, in the lockdown also, right now also today also, I have to give my article for one of more. It's going to be, I think, featured in another next month only, like in the May or probably the June month. So it's again going to be in the magazine stuff. So yeah, so far so good going on. So it's a good thing when you start. Now I felt like I've been, probably been part of this print thing and all.
So do you think you're going the right way?
Yeah, I think so. Because see, I believe in just doing your best, thinking your best, and the best will be there in front of you.
Okay,
So far, I think so I'm on the right track.
that's nice. So my next question is going to break many hearts today. Sorry, guys. Yes, she is married.
Hi, this is Rupali Sawan और आप मुझे सुन रहे हैं on Candid Talks with Bharat V.
So, Rupali, how and when did you meet your life partner? I believe you already partly answered it already, but
Yeah.
was this an arranged marriage or was it a love marriage?
No, I think so. What to say? I think arranged love come arranged marriage.
Okay.
This will be the thing. And I was working at the Varanasi airport, as I have mentioned, and he
Yeah.
came to Varanasi for 2
Mhm.
months on deputation, and he proposed me directly for the marriage.
Wow. So that was
And
one of my question. Who proposed first? Okay.
obviously, he is going to propose.
Okay. Hmm.
So yeah, he proposed me for marriage, and
What is
said,
his
"Okay,
name,
let's
by the
start."
way? We do not know.
Nilesh,
Okay.
Nilesh Sawant.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Lucky
then he
chap.
met my parents. That you have to ask him only.
Okay.
Uh, so yeah. So then he met my parents and all, and then everything got fixed. I was like, yeah, I wanted to move out also from Varanasi, and being coming up from a very conservative family
Hmm.
and a Brahmin girl and the first child of the my family. So I was under a strict thing. You will leave Varanasi only once you're getting married.
Wow.
So I
So
was
you
like,
took
I
this
have to get
opportunity,
married.
you know? Okay.
Yeah, in fact, I thought so. Okay, if I have to get married, so before Papa starts getting into,
Hmm.
look at taking the picture and finding out
Yeah.
suitable guy for me, he came and he proposed. I was like, you meet my parent. If they say yes, I'm okay with it.
Okay.
So that's how it started. Yeah. So my love, you can say, started post marriage.
Hmm. So how many
Yeah,
years
and
now that you guys are married?
uh, 14 years.
14 years. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Many more years to go.
Uh,
Okay. So who is your main strength, behind you, Rupali? Behind all your achievements, behind your work that you do. And I'm assuming it must be your husband only. Is that the real case, or are there other people also, who support you?
See, when you are a mother also, and when you are doing all this thing also, I think one support is not more than enough ever.
Hmm.
So I have the first thing I is always my mother's blessing, which is what I feel. So her strong prayers and blessings are always there, which act as a great source of
Yeah.
strength for me. Then comes my daughter. She
Hmm.
is like the everything for me. She is the pillar of strength. She is my responsibility, and she is
Wow.
my everything. I mean, whatever term you use. So in fact, when I went for this Mrs. Maharashtra 2017 auditions
Hmm.
also, the morning I was just looking, going through the YouTube ka thing, how this pageant thing is all about and how they
Okay.
walk and all. So while I was surfing on the YouTube, she came, she peeped, and she was like, "What are you watching, Mama?" Then I was like,
Hmm.
"See the walk and all. Why are you watching?" So probably I'm thinking, yeah, I should go for audition.
Okay.
That very moment, she said, "Don't think, just go." And then
Okay.
one line from her, and I kept my mobile down. I went, I dressed, and I
Okay.
went ahead. Yeah.
Wow.
So she is always there. She is like also, that time so she was like 8 or 9
Hmm.
years of age, and now she is more or less involved with everything. She tells me, you do this, do that. This is
How
not
old is she?
proper. That is not proper. She's 12 now.
So I think she is more of your friend now rather than your daughter.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. No
Okay.
friend, so she was earlier. Now she is like a mother. So I say
Mother.
I have two mother.
Okay.
So I
Right.
say because in this industry now, she at times, Mama, you wear this. This will be better. You
Hmm.
don't do this. You're talking like this. That word is not proper. I
Thank
was
God
like,
आपने
now you've become a
दादी अम्मा नहीं बोला.
I think so sooner or later वो भी हो जाएगा अभी आगे. You
Okay.
never know.
Hmm.
So yeah, so she is the again, and yeah, of course, my husband is there because whenever I'm at work or I'm, outside Pune, if I'm
Yeah.
going places and all, so he is the one who is taking care, and without his support, all this thing won't be possible.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah,
So I know her name is Ashi, and I
Ashi,
know she
yeah,
is already, following your footsteps. She has,
yeah,
done few ramp walks and then modeling assignments, as you said.
yeah,
And she was even, featured in this calendar 2020 of Resident Events along with you.
yeah,
So, what
yeah.
is your opinion about she getting into this glamour world?
It's totally her choice.
Hmm.
I mean, if she wants to, she will love doing it. Then obviously, I will always be there to support her.
Okay.
So, I mean, it's too early to say because I think so. It's still like all this thing looks very glamorous and all, but a
Yeah.
lot of effort and energy is also been
Oh,
required.
absolutely. Yeah, I
So
can vouch
unless
for that.
so
Yeah, it's really hard work.
yeah, so unless and until you're passionate about it, I don't think so. This is your cup of tea. This is
Hmm.
what I feel
Okay.
because yeah, that much of strength and energy is required. So if right now, so that's why, as I said, it's quite early to say because she went for some shoot and all. So she's like,
Hmm.
I'm getting tired and all those stuff. So I was like, beta itna aasan nahi hota hai. Okay, so
Obviously.
if you're getting tired, so unless and until you are passionate about it, it's not that easy peasy thing. So
Hmm.
let's see. But now she is into that. It's the getting into the teens and all. So just past few days, I'm just observing her. She's like Anna Lee Blanc, the Hollywood singer, pop
Hmm.
star she is. So she's
Yeah.
very much following her. I want to be like her. I want to sing. I
Wow.
want to do an album. Yeah. So some naya shock is coming up.
So she
So
likes singing
I'm
as well?
yeah, she likes singing
Okay.
and she's full of expressions. I think this is few of the qualities that she has got from me,
That's
wind
nice.
expressions and all. So let's see. So I will always be there to support her, but yeah, my first priority will always be her basic education, which I want
Okay.
her to,
Yeah, obviously.
yeah, do that first,
Hmm.
and then all this thing will follow.
Great. So, Rupali, you were featured in, couple of video albums and you even did few ad films. What are your
Yeah.
upcoming projects? I mean, is it possible that we will see Rupali Sawant very soon in films as well? Bollywood films or any?
Absolutely. See, that's what I said. Ki, one has to just keep on believing in the thoughts and the
Hmm.
dreaming, the beauty of the dream. So,
Hmm.
in 2020, at the the onset and the start of the 2020, probably that time I wasn't aware about this COVID-19 is
Hmm.
going to be a bottleneck and going to be a disturbing source for so many of us. Uh, in fact, for the entire world. But yeah, the 2020 start only. I set up my mind. I'll do. I want to see myself on the silver screen. So
Okay.
this is something which I have started on thinking and believing recently. So
Hmm.
probably it's taking a little bit of time, but then
Okay.
sooner or later it will sure and certainly it will happen.
Definitely, it'll happen. So, that is
So
something which you want to achieve in your life?
yeah, this will be the next thing. So I have lot many other things which I have to achieve because
Mhm.
I still think and believe there is a mile before I go to sleep, and I have lot many things to do. So
Okay.
small things, yeah, I have in my pipeline. And so I was saying, yeah, so the sooner or later, yeah, this will happen. I mean, I want to see myself on the silver screen and. Other projects, few projects are there which are lined up post lockdown. Let's see when this lockdown has been thing and how, because I think so okay, after lockdown also things will start little bit, it will move a little bit in a slow way,
Hmm.
but certainly it will move. So this delay is there, but it will happen. I mean, I'm working out for a few of the web series also is in pipeline. I
Wow.
think now the future
Okay.
will be of web series only. So
Okay.
that
Yeah.
time, see, when
Yeah.
I got this offer for the web series, I was like, wasn't very much sure about it. But now during this lockdown, I'm like, web series are the next future. Go for the web series first.
Chalo, nice. As soon as you are into this or you get into films,
Yeah.
at least we can say that, okay, we know her. So at least it'll be good for us also.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Anyways, so apart from this, the current assignments and all, are you associated with any of the social activities which you would like to talk about?
Social activities, see, what I believe, that it's a very famous thing. The charity begins at home.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's for the charity thing. For as far as the activities are concerned about, I have been taking dance classes because I love dancing. This is one
Okay.
of my
Yeah.
hobby, as I
Yeah.
already mentioned. So I'm taking once a week. I'm taking classes at my place for the past 3 years now of the
Okay.
underprivileged girls. Yeah, 8 girls are there who come at my place. So I'm doing that. I'm taking the dance classes and the art and craft classes
Very nice.
with them, and so few of the other things, visiting orphans and all, and distributing
Hmm.
goods and foods and all at the traffic signals and all at the most of the festival time and all. These are the very basic things which I'm been following into. So I believe, these all things give me, this is not something because I am bound to do it, I'm doing it. These are the
Hmm.
things which makes me feel happy and
Happy.
get
Yeah.
a sound peaceful sleep at night once you do. So
Basically,
in
you're
fact
just
in this
trying to give
lockdown
something
also.
back to the society.
Absolutely. And then I don't believe in showing off.
Hmm.
But few of the things, few of the places you have to show also where it is
Right.
important. But
Yeah.
basically, I'm not that fond of it. And so, yeah, right now also we are going through so much of crisis. So the PM care funds and also I did my
Correct.
bit. Whatever and wherever I can do my bit, I'm always there to do it. And I believe in doing rather than, just showing and acting more.
No, and I think in this time of crisis, I think every individual human being should come ahead and help out
Yeah.
in
In
whatever
whichever
means they
way.
can. Yes,
Yeah, exactly. In whichever
absolutely.
way you could
I mean,
do that.
it's said, right? I mean, we cannot achieve this as an individual. It has to be a collaborative effort. So we have to achieve this as we.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, what is your mantra of life? What keeps you going?
Mantra of life. Okay. See, what keeps me going? Having a belief that, everything is happening with me for a good, and whatever I wish and whatever I want, I am
Hmm.
achieving is. I think that's what keeps me going. And these all things are coming because of, I'm a firm believer of, Secret by
Hmm.
Rhonda Brand. Yeah, so affirmation is the key word for me that keeps me
Okay.
going. Absolutely. And you just keep on affirming and then thinking good, and as it has been said, your thought becomes thing, and
Hmm.
everything happens twice, once in your thoughts and once in reality. So
Hmm.
I have that firm belief, and see, whatever I want, I put that much of dedication, effort, energy, and hard work. Obviously, because without this, if you just keep on dreaming, you're not going to achieve, that dream of yours unless and until you put your effort.
What
So
about hunger for success? What do you have to say
hunger
about
for
that? Is it also really, really important, to keep going and achieve what you want to achieve?
See, for me, hunger of success, I don't go with this word actually. For
Hmm.
me, success is like an happiness. As long as you're content and you're happy, you are successful. This is
Hmm.
what I believe into. You have to give your best, and then live everything on, leave everything rest. So
Okay.
when I do something, I just give my heart and soul towards it. And the second thing, I affirm that something is, if it something is not happening for me, probably that is not good for me. Another thing, another mantra which I follow. So I
Okay.
choose happiness and peace over everything else.
Okay. So I think we are almost towards the end of our episode today. Any
Mhm.
specific message for our listeners, especially mothers and kids who are fascinated, with this glamour world and they want to try their luck in modeling or ramp walks? Anything you want to say to them?
Well, I would like to say if you're really passionate about doing all this thing because you like doing and you love doing it, go ahead and be on the right thing and do a little bit of research about whichever assignment or whichever
Right.
event or organization you are being associating yourself
Hmm.
with. Do a proper background check and
Okay.
then put your heart and soul towards it, and if it's there in you, you will get it. You will get
Hmm.
it whatever you want in life. Yeah.
Absolutely. That's nice. Okay. So, Rupali, that brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you so much, for joining us today. We wish you all the very best for your future and all the assignments lying ahead. And definitely, we would like to see you on the silver screen one day.
My pleasure. Thank you so very much, Mr. Bharat. Wishing you the same.
Thank you
Keep
so much.
rocking ahead and wishing good luck to you and the Candid Talks with Bharat V. All
Thank
the
you so
best.
much. Thank you so much. And stay home, stay safe,
Stay
take care.
safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
So that was Rupali Sawant, a mother, a Zumba trained professional, a successful model, an actor, and winner of Mrs. India Empress of the Nation 2018. A multi talented personality. Being a mother of a bright kid, she is living her passion. We wish her all the success in life. इसके साथ हम आज का सफर यहीं समाप्त करते हैं। बहुत जल्द मुलाकात होगी अगले शो पर एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, नए लोगों के साथ, नए अंदाज में ऑन कैंडिड टॉक्स विद भरत वी। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ। दिस इज भरत वत्सा साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर टुडे। दुआओं में याद रखना। जय हिंद।